This did not begin here. See how happy I am? Well, let's see how we got there. This is how you prep to paint the wall. I am using painter's tape. As you see, it is difficult to use. You want to make sure that you're just getting the edges so that you don't get paint everywhere. And this seems so simple, right? Right. For anyone who doesn't know, you want to use a flathead screwdriver to open your paint can. Nope, not this one. Wouldn't that look so cute as an accent color? Because I had this really cute idea from this DIY project I saw on Pinterest. You know, the ones you pin and you're like, I'm going to try that one day. Well, let's try the second one. And she strikes out again. So now that I'm feeling a little defeated, I decided to play in it a bit. I mean, why not? I have nothing else to do at this point. The last and final one. This was just supposed to be 4 designs. Now, if you know paint, you know that this is not going to work. The bottom has separated from the top. And again, I am stirring it together, just thinking, oh, maybe. After I Googled it, realized never going to work. Okay, so this is a new day, new attitude. We are using the Quick Assemble, Quick Removal wallpaper. You are supposed to spray with water to activate the adhesive, and then the adhesive, after it has already been activated one time, if you add water to it again, it will deactivate, and then allowing it to come easily off. So once I got the hang of it, then I knew what I was doing. It tells you to fold it in and let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, I realized that I can just use the same piece over and over again to measure it out instead of doing it one by one. And once I got the hang of this was really easy to do. I mean, I only had one up, but I was like, I got this in the bag. So as soon as Champ came in and started messing up the wallpaper, I had to hurry up and get to it before he messed up anything else. By this time, I am really proud of myself. I mean, I planned on painting a wall, and instead, I ended up wallpapering it. I know you can't tell, but I'm actually really good at DIY projects. And this is the final project. I freaking did it. I mean, top to bottom, it is looking snazzy, ladies and gentlemen. DIY project complete.